Eaton is one of the world's largest and most trusted suppliers of marina power equipment. We offer a variety of high-quality products for complete marina development needs. The Newport HarborMate is used to provide shore power at docks for smaller boating applications. This video will cover how to properly install a HarborMate. We recommend that a qualified electrical contractor install this unit and run the appropriate wires and conduit to the base of the HarborMate. Before getting started, it is important to make sure the power supply is disconnected or turned off. Always use stainless steel mounting hardware when installing a HarborMate. You will need to first remove the door, LED, and receptacle assembly. Drill or punch out the two marked circles on the inside of the HarborMate base and attach proper conduit. The back of the HarborMate can be mounted directly to a flat surface with through bolts or screws by pre-drilling holes from the inside through the back of the unit. Nickel-sized indentations on the inside back of the Newport identifies the location for pre-drilling holes. Larger washers must be used, or the large holes in the brackets provided can be used for this purpose. Power can now be connected to the 1/4-inch stud bus bars. A contractor must crimp the terminals to line wires and place on the stud lug connector. Three-phase power can be done similarly. Just attach the third pole on the bus bar. Loop feeding can be accomplished by bringing each conductor to each phase and out on each phase to the next pedestal in parallel. Wire size limits are 2 AWG for direct feed and 1 gauge for loop feeding. To connect the internet and cable, pull the wires through the conduit and attach the jacks to the back side of the receptacle faceplate. Reinstall the faceplate, LED assembly, and door. The Newport HarborMate is now properly installed. For more information on the available features of the HarborMate and other Eaton MP&L product offerings, please visit the Eaton Videos YouTube channel.